In today's video, I am going to teach you how to scrape anything directly from Google Sheets. The main idea is simple. You can pull data from a web page straight into a spreadsheet using built-in formulas, which is perfect for quick research, tracking, and reporting. Start by opening a new Google Sheet. Click into an empty cell where you want the scraped data to appear. You will type a formula directly into that cell, and Google Sheets will fetch the information for you. First, use Importhtml when the information on the page is already organized as a table or a list. This is the easiest and most reliable option for things like public standings, directories, or summary tables. In your selected cell, type the formula in this structure, equals Importhtml, then in parentheses you add the page URL in quotes, then the word table or list in quotes, and finally the index number for which table or list you want from that page. The index starts at 1 for the first table or list on the page, 2 for the second, and so on. For example, you can paste a Wikipedia URL that contains a large data table, set the query to table, and use index 1 to grab the first table on that page. After you finish typing the formula, press enter. Give it a moment to load, and you should see the table fill into the sheet automatically. If you get the wrong table, change the index number and try again. Next, for pages where the data is not in a clean table or list, use Importxml. This is the more flexible tool, because it can target specific elements on a page using something called axfof. The structure is equals Importxml, then the URL in quotes, followed by your axfof query in quotes. To find an axfof, open the web page in Google Chrome. Locate the exact text you want, like a title or a price. Right-click on it and choose Inspect. In the developer panel, the matching line of code will be highlighted. Right-click that highlighted code, choose Copy, then copy axfof. Back in Google Sheets, paste that axfof into your Importxml formula, keep it in quotes, and press enter. As a simple example, using an axfof like /h, one can return the main page heading. Once the data appears, you can reference it like any other cells, and it will refresh when the source updates. That covers everything you need to know.